Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your account on Amazon Prime Video. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in primevideo.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Prime Video website where you can log into your account using your login credentials. Now, once you are logged in, you will be able to find the Who's Watching section on your screen at the right side. If you click on this, you will be able to find the various users that are on your Amazon Prime account. In order to add a new user, simply click on Add New, and then you will be able to add up a new user to your Amazon Prime account. If this is an account made for kids, then make sure you turn on Kids Profile, and then after entering your name, you can simply click on Save Changes. Now you can simply select the new user and then start using the new account immediately. Now you can also remove accounts by simply tapping on the Who's Watching option once again, and from the drop-down menu you can simply click on Manage Profiles. Now from this page you can click on Edit Profile and you will be able to edit individual profiles. After clicking on the Edit button, you can either edit their name, their profile picture, or you can delete the profile as well by clicking on Remove Profile. You can confirm the profile deletion by clicking on Remove Profile once again, and this profile will be removed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to manage and edit your profiles on Amazon Prime. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.